Video, I'm going to show you how to transfer and withdraw money from Geely to Gcash. First, open the Geely app on your phone. Then enter your username and password to access your account. Now tap Wallet or Cashier in the app. Here, check your available balance to confirm the amount you can withdraw. Next, choose the Withdraw or Transfer to e-wallet option. In some versions, you may see Gcash directly as a withdrawal method. After that, input your Gcash mobile number linked to your account. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Now double check your Gcash number and withdrawal amount. Then tap Submit or Confirm. You may receive an OTP or verification code for security, so enter it if prompted. Finally, wait for the withdrawal to process. Withdrawals may take a few minutes to a few hours depending on the system. Check your cash balance to confirm the funds. At the end, keep a screenshot or note of the transaction ID for reference. Contact Geely support if there is a delay or issue with the withdrawal. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Now, double check withdrawal amount. Then, tap Submit or contact Geely support if